Need to replace full lines by keywords in multiple text files? Handling them one by one manually can be tedious and time-consuming. With Ninetu File Batcher, you can get the job done safely and efficiently in just a few clicks. We have about 60 text files that need to be updated. We need to replace specific lines across multiple text files, such as configuration entries, file paths, URLs, or other repeated content identified by keywords. Let's see how to batch replace full lines in text files by keyword. Launch Ninetu File Batcher. In the left menu, click Text Tools, replace full lines by keyword in text. Add multiple text files or import a folder containing the files you want to process. Select the text files you want to process, then click Next. Enter the keyword that identifies the line you want to replace in the Search Keywords field, then enter the new line content in the Replacement Content field. If needed, enable options such as Ignore Letter Case or Match Whole Word only to control how keywords are matched. Click the Preview button to review the line replacement pairs. Once you've confirmed everything looks correct, click Next to continue. Choose an output folder, click Next, and start the replacement process. The files will begin processing immediately. Just wait for the operation to complete. Once processing is finished, review the results, including succeeded, skipped, failed, total time, and the processing log. You can also click Copy to Clipboard to save the log for later review. Open a few sample text files to verify that the lines have been replaced successfully. Finally, compare the original and updated text files to confirm that the targeted lines have been replaced correctly while the rest of each file remains unchanged. On the home page, here are some tips for using the tools. The My Favorites area on the right lets you pin frequently used tools, while the left panel displays your top 5 most tools. Now we are trying to add some commonly used tools. Add your commonly used tools to My Favorites so you can find them quickly next time. Click the icon at the top right of the feature page to view the usage guide. If you run into any problems, open Support from the menu and click New Support Request. Enter a short subject and a detailed description of the issue, and attach screenshots if possible to help us diagnose the problem. You can also provide us with the processing log you just copied. When you've filled everything out, click Submit. We'll review your request promptly and work to resolve the issue so it won't affect your normal use. Stop wasting hours on repetitive file updates. With Ninetu File Batcher, you can batch edit hundreds of files in minutes while keeping your data completely private. No cloud uploads. No data exposure. Work faster, stay secure, and get started today.